Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about application of integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We want to find the area between the curve and the line in here. So now I will show you how to answer. We look carefully on the graph. We see that at negative number 1, we have one intersection. At number 2, we have another intersection. So in this situation, we need to create about 3 intervals in here. Because we have the area number 1, the area number 2, and the area number 3. That's why we have 3 intervals. From negative number 2 to negative number 1. We look on the graph, we see that the line above the curve. So we need to use about upper minus lower. To calculate about the area in here. So the upper right now is about negative s plus 2 minus the lower, that's about the curve in here, and I will put about 4 minus s squared. The s plus, we see that the curve in here is above the line, so we have 4 minus s squared. We need to minus the line in here, that's about negative s plus 2. The s, so the integration from negative number 1 to positive number 2. And the last one, so that's it from number 2 to number 3. We see that the line in here above the curve, so the line should be about negative s plus 2 minus 4 minus s squared. The s. Now we need to calculate about 3 intervals in here. So for the first one, so we have negative with negative, you go about positive, so we have positive s squared. Negative s we put in here. Number 2 minus 4, we have negative number 2. The second one, we have from negative number 1 to positive number 2. So this one we will have about negative s squared plus s plus 2. And the last one, that should be about from number 2 to number 3. So I will go to the first integral. The integral of s squared, we have s to the power of 3 over 3. The integral of s, we have s squared over 2. The integral of number 2, we have negative 2s. And we put the bounds from negative number 2 to negative number 1. The next one, we have negative s to the power of 3 over 3 plus s squared over 2 plus 2s. And we put the bounds from negative number 1 to positive number 2. And the last one, we do the same. So we put negative number 1 gone here, and we put negative number 2 gone here. We calculate this one. We got 11 over 6. About this one, 9 over 2. And the last one, 11 over 6. So we sum 3 numbers together, and this one we will have about 49 over 6, and this is the final answer we need to find in here. This is the end. Thank you for watching.